Most people get this wrong. They think all advertising platforms are the same. But the surprising truth about RTB House is that it uses deep learning and AI-driven retargeting to deliver highly personalized ads. RTB House focuses on performance marketing for brands that want to re-engage visitors who didn't convert the first time. It works by analyzing user behavior across websites and showing ads tailored to each person's preferences. This increases the likelihood of clicks and conversions compared to standard display ads. One feature that stood out to me is their dynamic creative optimization. Instead of static ads, RTB House automatically adjusts visuals, messages, and offers based on individual users' behavior. This can significantly improve ROI for businesses, especially in e-commerce. Another advantage is their transparency. Clients can see detailed performance reports with metrics like CTR, conversion rates, and ROI, which helps in fine-tuning campaigns. However, it's important to know that RTB House is mainly suited for medium to large businesses with marketing budgets. Smaller companies might find the platform setup and cost a bit high. Also, you'll need technical expertise or support from RTB House's team to implement tracking pixels and integrate campaigns effectively. In conclusion, RTB House is a powerful advertising platform for businesses looking to maximize retargeting and increase conversions. With AI-driven personalization and detailed analytics, it offers a competitive edge, but it's best for companies ready to invest in high-performance marketing campaigns. Subscribe for more honest marketing platform reviews to help your business choose the right advertising tools.